The Safety Performance Comprehensive Tester is a key device used to test the electrical safety of household appliances and complete products. Its testing standards cover multiple test items to ensure that the safety and performance of the product meet the requirements. The equipment has high reliability and intelligent features and can efficiently complete multiple functions, such as withstand voltage, insulation, grounding, leakage, low voltage startup, and power testing, and the test results are accurate and reliable. In the production of water heaters in our factory, the Safety Performance Comprehensive Tester provides a comprehensive protection for the electrical safety of each product, ensuring that the water heaters leaving the factory are safe and reliable. Through strict inspection procedures and advanced testing technology, we are committed to providing users with high-quality, high-performance water heater products, providing solid protection for safe household water use.